Good afternoon, guys. This is Sean at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough of our 2017 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. It's a trade-in here. It's got a pair of triple 350 Mercury Verados. Electronic steer shade. The tan interior. Table that does come out of the floor. Plenty of seating. Electric grill and refrigerator here in the cockpit. Also with the sunroof option. The boat does have the joystick. All the electronics, everything's already on board. Large head. It's a vacuum flush system. Walking forward, got expansive bow seating as well. Bow table options. Windlass anchor. Big 35-foot bow rider. If you want to come see her, please contact Sean Doyle at MarineMax. My cell 954-579-8956.